Hello guys, and welcome to Ocean 5. In case of a water outage and you want to turn the water supply from city water to cistern water, follow these few steps. So be sure to unplug the pump. You would close this valve. You open this one. You go right here. This one also you open. And last but not least, you open this one. Once that's done, you can go ahead and plug back the pump, and here you go. So close, you open this one, and then you plug back the pump, and your cistern water should be running throughout the whole house. Enjoy the rest of your stay.